I'm Leo Francis, URK24CO 2005. This is Database Management System Laboratory, experiment number one. So this is about creating and managing tables using DDL and DML commands. So first of all, in any database system, we need a structured way to store and manage data. So this is where SQL or structured query language comes into play. So SQL provides different types of commands, among which are the DML and DDL are very important. So first, the DDL, which means the data definition language, is a standard for commands that define the different structures in a database. So over here, like database commands, like these DDLs commands are used to define and manage the structure of the database. In simple terms, we can say like they deal with how the database objects are created and modified. So the main commands in the DDL is to create, alter, and drop. Create is to use to create new tables, and alter is to use to modify the structure, and drop is to use to delete the tables completely from the database. So using these commands, we created multiple tables such as you can see, we created multiple tables like deposit, branch, and customers. And now we moved to DML, which is data manipulation language. So while DDL deals with the structure, DML focuses on the actual data inside the tables. So the important DML commands are insert, select, update, delete. So insert is used to add data into tables. Select is used to retrieve data from the tables. Update used to modify existing data. Delete used to remove data. And in this experiment, after creating the tables, we can see we are inserting the after creating the tables. Uh, as you can see, we are inserting the values into that. So we are inserting values into them and perform various operations. So first we use select queries, and we are so over here we are inserting. And so here, as you can see, first we are selecting, we use select queries to display all the records from the deposit and the borrow table. We also retrieve specific data like customer names, account numbers, and kind of things. And we perform conditional queries, like, so we used every DML and DDL commands which is in the experiment. So this is experiment number one. Thank you.